The second of Hyundai's trio of EVs made its first appearance as the all-electric Ioniq 6, following the Ioniq naming convention. The 6 is a sedan with a curve profile that emphasizes aerodynamics. With a low nose and wing-like spoiler, it has a drag coefficient of 0.21. At the Ioniq 6, a world premiere online, Hyundai showed previews of a third electric SUV. The Ioniq 5 is a bigger hatchback crossover, but both will use the parent company's electric global modular platform that's also shared with the Kia EV6. The electric sedan will have the same 77.4 kWh battery, but improved range and battery efficiency. The EPA estimated range at 361 miles on its base SE rear drive model and only 14 kWh used per 62 miles. The combined MPG is 140 on the base. Made from recycled materials like plastic, old tires, paint pigment, fishing net and vegetable oils for the seats, dashboard, doors and even the body paint, the car is intended to emphasize sustainability. Just once a month, Hyundai Motor Group Executive Chair Yuasun Chung visits Losby's Seoul design studio. If Losby manages to halt Chung's progress in the metaphorical hallway, he uses another 30 crucial seconds to sell the concept further. After that, Chung is hooked, hopefully. In charge of dozens of separate companies within the Hyundai empire, Chairman Chung might be busy, but he loves risky automotive styling. He's directly credited with empowering the Korean carmaker's design team to push the visual limits. It's Chung's appetite for gambling on design that has transformed Korea's roads and made German design studios look old, stuffy and snoozy. The Ioniq 6 interior layout will be familiar to anyone who's spent time in the Hyundai Ioniq 5. That means you get the same conjoined 12.3 inches digital instrument panel and 12.3 inches infotainment touchscreen. The small touch-sensitive icons for the climate controls can be a little tricky to aim for when driving, but they are at least in a separate panel beneath the touchscreen, so they're always on show, rather than hidden in sub-menus. Unlike the Ioniq 5, the Ioniq 6 has a center console bridging the base of the dash to the front center armrest, helping to cocoon those sitting up front. It's easy to find a comfortable driving position, thanks to powered adjustment, although the steering wheel does block the top corners of the instrument panel when set to its lowest position. You sit quite high up, which helps visibility, but also puts you closer to the low roof. Front and rear visibility is slightly hampered by the wide windscreen pillars. You do have front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera as standard to help out. Both a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen are offered. The Ioniq 6 uses the same software as other Hyundai models, which incorporate BlueLink for connectivity functions and link with smartphones using either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All versions of the Hyundai Ioniq 6 come with a 74 kWh battery with two power outputs available. The entry-level single-motor, rear-wheel drive version produces 225 bhp and is good for a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 7.4 seconds. A much more potent 321 bhp dual-motor option with four-wheel drive reduces that sprint time to 5.1 seconds. With that sleek roof helping it to slip through the air as cleanly as possible, the rear-wheel drive model can officially manage 338 miles from a fully charged battery. That's 11% more than the 305-mile range on the entry-level Tesla Model 3 RWD and matches up well against the 341 miles from a long-range single-motor Polestar 2. In the real world, on a cold day on our simulated test route, the Ioniq 6's predicted range was closer to 220 miles. That's chiefly down to its rather disappointing efficiency rating of 3.0 miles per kilowatt-hour. The Model 3 did much better, at 4.0 miles per kilowatt-hour, so its predicted range actually pips the Ioniq 6 despite its smaller 57.5 kilowatt-hours battery. The EPA estimates the Ioniq 6 has a maximum driving range of 361 miles. The Ioniq 6 SE-RWD long range, which has the most range for the model, gives it a 58-mile advantage over the smaller Ioniq 5. The all-wheel drive Ioniq 6 Limited is rated at 270 miles, which is still an impressive showing for the shortest driving Ioniq 6. Once we get our hands on an Ioniq 6, we'll run it through our 75 miles per hour real-world highway range test and update this story with its results.